Greetings, fellow gardening enthusiasts. Today we embark on an exciting journey into the world of Vietnamese coriander, a delightful living organism with a captivating history and a myriad of uses. Join us as we explore its origins, unique characteristics, and essential care tips to grow this aromatic herb in your own garden. Vietnamese coriander, also known as Persicaria odorata or rau rim, has a storied history originating from Southeast Asia. Cherished for centuries, it holds a prominent place in Vietnamese, Thai, and Malaysian cuisines. Its distinct flavor and medicinal properties have made it a staple in traditional dishes. With its land-shaped leaves adorned with striking dark green color and vibrant red stems, it adds a touch of elegance to any garden. Its appealing appearance and refreshing aroma make it a favorite among herb enthusiasts. To cultivate Vietnamese coriander successfully, provide it with the right growing conditions. It thrives in partial shade to full sun, making it an excellent choice for both indoor and outdoor gardening. Ensure the soil is well draining and consistently moist, simulating its native tropical environment. Introduce Vietnamese coriander to your garden companions for a harmonious ecosystem. It complements other culinary herbs like basil, mint, and lemongrass, enhancing the flavors of various dishes and creating a delightful culinary corner. Beyond its captivating appearance, Vietnamese coriander serves a multitude of purposes. In culinary arts, it adds a zesty, citrusy twist to soups, salads, and seafood dishes, elevating the overall flavor profile. Medicinally, it is believed to have several health benefits, including aiding digestion and acting as an inflammatory. And there you have it, the enchanting world of Vietnamese coriander. Embrace its rich history, delightful appearance, and essential care tips to grow this aromatic herb in your own garden and infuse your dishes with its distinctive flavors. Thank you for joining us on this botanical journey. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to explore more wonders of gardening, farming, as we continue to celebrate the diversity of living organisms.